Hey chicas, welcome to Creative Chick Corner. So my name is Mari and thank you for clicking on this video. So I was actually making clay earrings and I noticed, I was recording the video, I noticed that I did not do any intro. So this is my intro to this awesome clay making earring, this awesome earring making with polymer clay. So I hope you guys like this video. There are a lot of things that I have to work on and when making these earrings, but at least this was my first time. I did enjoy it. It did take me like 4 hours to do. So yes, I will put my video of me showing my Hobby Lobby haul and then me just making the earrings. So I hope you guys like this video. So don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and also share with your friends. So let's get started with this video. I'll be showing you guys what I got first. And I only spent $34.33, so it's not a bad price. I did get a lot of things and it's super cheap price to start a new hobby. So like this video if you like this content, and comment down below what you want to see in the future, and subscribe, and we'll start together just showing you guys what I got. Okay, the first things I got was obviously clay. So I got 2 sets of clay. It's polymer clay, and I got single clays as well. So first I'll show you guys this one. So this one here is $11.99 originally, but I got this at a reduced price of $3.24. And as you can see, they have quite a variety of colors. It says it's a 12-piece and they are bright colors. So it does have the instructions in the front and in the back, and this is from the Crafters Collection brand. Great price. And I got this one as well. This one is a bigger one. It's a 24-piece oven baked polymer clay as well, and this was originally $19.99, but I got it for $6.24 at a reduced price. So this one has a lot of pretty colors as well. It does have a few shimmers from what I'm seeing, so that'll be fun. Ooh. Then I got some metal leaf gold 25 sheets. I really did want to get this so I can like mix it with clay and cut it out and make something pretty. So this was $3.49. Can't wait to get my hands on that. Then I got this clay roller. It's an 8-inch for $3.99. So I will be starting off with this first. If I like it and get the hang of making earrings and with polymer clay, then maybe I will get like a pasta thing, but if not, this will do. The next thing I got was this lace mold, and it's really pretty. It's like a mermaid type skin thing, and it was only 99 cents. It was reduced from $3.99. So I can just put it on the clay and just hope to get the figures on there as well. Then I did get a few different like cutters. I got these round ones. I got these round ones for 99 cents, and it does bring 3 different sizes. I got these geometric shape cutters as well. This is a 10-piece for $2.99. I got some white paint as well. This is acrylic paint. That's what I was reading, and it said get acrylic paint, so I will be using that. I got these show-offs. It's like a foam pouncer thing. They have a set of 4 for $1.99, just to give it some texture, or for the paint when I go to paint it, just give it some texture. Another cutter set. This one's a teardrop cutter set, and it brings 6 different sizes, so that's nice. I do love teardrop earrings. I got this palette knife and spreader set. I thought I would get this because I could pick up the clay and not give it texture with my hand, so hopefully this works out. It was only $1.99, and it brings 3 different ones. And lastly, I got so many. So I got these single clay, like polymer clays, and different colors. They're all very pretty. They were on sale for 37 cents from $1.49. That's why I got them. And I wish they would have had more colors, but I guess everyone just took the pretty colors first. These are also very pretty, but everyone just took the best bright colors. So these are like cold tones. They're very pretty. Probably perfect for winter time, so don't have a problem with that. That's all I got that day at Hobby Lobby, and then a few weeks ago I think I recorded that as well. I did go and get two things from Hobby Lobby that were on sale. I got more clay. I got these for 37 cents as well. It's like a cream, it's like a cream color. And I had gotten these because I was like, ooh, I'm interested in doing this. Maybe I'll try it out, see if it's something I like. And I did not think of getting these at all, so I had gotten these first. But then I saw that these were on sale as well and good prices, so why not? And the last thing I got that one day for $1.74 on clearance was like these 6-piece with 12 tool pottery ribbon tools. So they are double-sided. So not sure what it's for. We will find out shortly or maybe soon. So now that's all I got at Hobby Lobby, and I hope this is all I need, hopefully. I hope I got the right stuff, and I will be watching some videos, but I will also be showing you guys what I do with these and just my first creations and just me practicing. So hope you like that and I don't bore you guys. So I'm going to be changing the camera view down to my hands so you guys can just see what I do with my hands. So hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and let's get started to actually making some earrings. Okay, chicas, so now on a voiceover. So these are the colors that I will be using. I'll be using this pretty blue, and then this cream color, and this green. So I'll be cutting them in halves. It'll just make it easier for when I start handling them with my hands and just making little round balls. So yes, that's what I've been seeing in videos, so that's what I started to do then. Okay, so now that they are round, we will start by pressing them just a little, just like to make a hot dog pretty much, but then I will go and cut them each individually, and then I will start by gathering them together and rolling them all up together. So now I will like how this turns out. Like, look at that effect. It looks super duper cool. I've been seeing this like on TikTok, and it looked super awesome. I did want to make it. That's why I did this first design. So I noticed that this would not be enough, so I grabbed my the other half of the clay and I did the same thing. I rolled them up in a little ball, and then I cut them up in little pieces, and then I rolled it all in a big ball, and then now I will join these together, press them together, and just roll them out, and then stretch them out with my roller. I'm really liking how this is turning out. So now I'll go with these metal leaf gold sheets. Want to try them out. I wasn't such a fan of this material. I'm not sure if they're all like this, but it was just very sticky to your hands. But after that, I did start rolling out the actual clay, and I got my cutters. I'm going to be using the round one and the teardrop one. And we are off to actually cutting the clay. I did want to say that these are my first earrings that I've ever made. I've never really dealt with clay, and I did want to tell you guys that these were pretty thick. I wasn't too sure what thickness that they needed to be, so I made them like this. But yes, they are too thick, I think. If anyone knows what the proper size thickness it's supposed to be, comment below. So now I went to bake these at 275 for 15 minutes, and then I started making a new design. So for these next earrings, I literally just used the clay that was left from the first design, which was the blue, green, and cream, and this is a pretty color that turned out. So I used this silicone mold to leave this really pretty mermaid type skin texture, and it looked super nice. I did like how it turned out, and I will top it off with some glitter. I had bought this glitter for resin making, but I can use it for this as well. This time my earrings turned out way too skinny, or not skinny, but really thin. So next time I think I have kind of an idea of how thick it should be. So now we're off to coat some resin on these earrings and make them look glossy and very shiny and pretty. And then before curing them, I did pop the bubbles. So now I will cure them for about 2 minutes. So this is how they are looking so far. I really do love how these look. I think the gold foil looks super pretty. And then these look really pretty as well. And especially that glitter touch. So now I will be using my drill. It's an electric one and I got it off Amazon. I did notice I was supposed to use like a thicker bit. So yes, I changed over to a thicker one. And that was better, but at first I was not really like getting the hang of it. It was just getting stuck and not working properly, so I think it's just the earrings are way too thick. After making such a huge mess, I went and cleaned everything. I washed them and then I dried them and cleaned them off with alcohol. So now I will be organizing these and seeing which pieces go with which earrings. So that took me a bit. So after arranging them, I then went and got my hooks and my rings. So I had used 2 or 3 different sizes and they were too thin at first and then they weren't too big, and then at the end I finally found the right size, the right thickness. I'm sorry about all the wind, it's like storming outside, but anyways, this is the result and I totally love these. Like, these are my second favorite ones. These are super pretty as well, but my favorite ones are these teardrops. Like, look at those. I just love teardrop earrings. I already told you guys. These are really pretty as well. They were not my favorite though, but they turned out pretty good. Alrighty, so I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you for being here with me. This was my first time making clay earrings, and here are a few pictures of what I made today. If you guys have any tips and tricks on how to work with polymer clay, comment down below. Remember to like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Alright, chicas, so this was it for this video. I hope you guys like it, and comment down below what you think of these earrings, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!